In this video, I will show you how to enable or disable Instagram video autoplay. Now, the first thing we're going to do is to go to our profile icon. And then once we're on our profile, we just have to click on these three lines on the upper corner. Now you just have to scroll down very slowly and tap on data usage and media quality. Now under use less data is data saver. Now you just have to turn this on so videos won't load in advance to help you use less data. What this does is it uses less data and automatically stops video autoplay on our feed. So if we want our video autoplay to be off, we just have to turn this on. And if we want our video autoplay to be on, we just have to turn this off. So that's it. That's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, please leave a like below and subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!